We have the new RYTECH Fusion ERA 15 full hybrid performance press brake. This is a 150-ton by 10-foot machine featuring a 7-axis system, Y1, Y2 on the ram, a 5-axis back gauge, X, R, Z1, Z2, and X prime. It says CNC motorized wedge type crowning, the laser safe iris fully integrated safety system, Wilson express rail hydraulic quick clamping, as well as pneumatic lower clamping that holds both 60mm and standard American lower tools. Featuring our new 66S control. That's a slim profile 24-inch touchscreen controller that'll do 2D programming and full 3D graphical simulation. You can hear how silent this machine is in operation. We're using a servo motor to turn the pump, actuate the ram. This is the fastest machine platform available on the market. Comes standard with an integrated tool cabinet on the machine. It's a 519 inch per minute fast approach, 40 inch per minute bend, and a 472 inch per minute return. This is the RYTECH Fusion performance press brake from MacTech. Give us a call.